Hello, my name is Hargoin Peterson. This is Python 110. Teacher, woman, and this is 2019 winter quarter. So I'm gonna show it to you guys the formula for computing the final amount if one is earning compound interest in given of week paid as. So as you guys see right here, P equals 100, which is principal amount, the principal amount, and then we assign 12 for n, and then the interest rate is 8%. Then T is the time, the rate, or yes, a year, the rate of the year. So A, what we enter the principal. So when we print A, as you see on the side, we get the given the numbers of years, and say so, and we can enter any numbers for the given years, which we enter 4, and then we got for 48,300 4,008,320, something like that, whatever it is. Yeah,
Whatever it is.
that's all.
Alright.
So I hope you guys learned something from my coding. Have a nice day.
You too.